Hello, good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. Let's rock and roll and see how many people can join. I have already 43. चलो ठीक है कितने लोग अटेंड कर रहे हैं क्लास बहुत बड़ी बात है. Thanks for the arrangement here. And when it works, then we will try to find it. Are we expecting more people?
So
100 is okay.
there's a limit of maximum limit.
What is the limit?
100.
I was told it is 200.
No, sir. For free account, it's 100.
No. Mine is not free account. Mine is enterprise.
Then I don't know, sir.
Because
No, sir, it is
till now,
showing.
in fact, is anybody getting denied? Because I have got the capacity of 100 as of now. I can see. I will show you my screen, and I expect more people to join. Can they join? Just check
No,
somebody is hanging.
no, sir. They can't join. It's showing meeting is full.
Okay. It's an enterprise ID. I have an enterprise account. Okay. Let me try another one for this, especially. And just don't hang out from this one. Maybe let me. मतलब ठीक है. I have class with IB or I have class with MBA regular right now.
IP, sir.
IB, sir.
Okay. This is strange because mine is an enterprise account. Let me log into a proper enterprise account. I got these two. Anybody knows what's the limit for an enterprise account?
Sir, it's a different account according to plans.
So enterprise account is different also.
Yeah, yes, sir.
अरे यार ये कृष्णन जी से सेट करवाना पड़ेगा फिर. Okay, then though it failed this time. How do we go ahead now? Should I ask the regular students to opt out? कितने लोग और हैं?
So 30, 38 around.
Okay. I will give a different meeting ID. But how will I share the screen? I cannot share this screen. Can I? Let me think over it.
So for enterprise,
Maybe.
it's 250 people.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. maybe our Mr. Krishnan has not done it properly. Let me think a way. Right now. If I have G meeting from two, it's an experiment, so don't worry. We do such experiments and not a problem. It's at least we will learn one thing. Let me give one more ID and then we are login to new file. Okay. कृष्णन जी ने गड़बड़ किया है. Okay, wait. 250 people. Can I check that somehow? Can somebody tell me? Can I check this myself? Hello. Can somebody tell me? Can I check it myself? If we don't get resolved in 5 minutes, then we will start with the IB class, and the regular class will take at regular time. I am trying to log on from two different browsers, and let me see. That should work. Let me try it out. I hope you understand what I'm trying to do. समझ रहे हो ना? Yes, no. So it's just 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Now I have to get it. Until then, point somebody can tell us it is. And that's what I thought. It's 250 people. Just like how is it possible that the whole area. Okay, I'm giving the meeting ID on the Telegram group for 35 people. Just join only those 35 people, not others. Only those 35 people I'm giving on the Telegram. Where is it? Start group. Okay. Just ask those 35 people to join. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nitin, can you hear me? Nitin Sudan? No, it won't work. It might work. Wait, got it. But it has to be done. I'm sorry, I play with technology, so don't worry. I will navigate it. Yeah, can you hear me? Anyone? From those 7
Yes,
guys, Pramod, Nitin, Satyam, Preeti, Priya, all of those people who joined the BCY, DOS, and RIA, can they speak? Hello. Purnima, Pramod? No, wait, I got it. What is happening? This is the problem. No problem, no problem. Don't worry, it's fine. We got it. Yeah. Subham, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. It's audible, sir.
Is it fine?
Yes, now it is fine, sir.
And what about what's the name? Ayush?
yes, sir.
Can you hear the 100 people?
Yes, we can hear.
So great. What I have done is I will tell you. I have logged through my phone and through my comp. so I can speak to you. Let me try if I can share with you. Anyways, first of all, we will not waste time. Anybody has questions right now? Somebody has joined from some place. Oh. Oh.
So there's a disturbance in your voice.
Okay.
Background.
Yeah, that is there. That is the fan thing. Okay, the 35 people, please join. Something happened. They dropped off.
Sir, they said you ended the meeting.
Yeah, sorry.
So they said that the meeting ended.
Yeah. I know that. वो गलती से बंद हो गया. Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Experiment यार, I play with technology, so don't worry. That's why I learn so many things. मतलब होता क्या है कि I do experiments. So can you see my screen? The 35 people group.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what about the 100 group? No, they can't.
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
that's now. Can you 100 people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Great. So we have succeeded in an experiment where I have done login from two different browsers on my comp. I will tell you what I have done. So one browser is supporting the 100 people. One browser it is participant to my 35 meeting. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And for both browsers, I am sharing my screen. Got it? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
But the only difference will be that the 35 people cannot hear 100 people and the 100 people cannot hear 35 people. That's all. That's the only point. Nothing else.
So we can hear you. No point is that.
You can hear me because I am on two mics, one on the comp, one on the mobile. And I have two headphones. One ear is for the 100 meeting and one for the 35 people meeting. But you both cannot. I'm in two meetings right now simultaneously.
Sir, we heard someone's voice, I think, from the 35 people.
Yes, sir.
वो इसलिए हो रहा है because they are on loudspeaker. So when they reply, you can hear them. और अगर मैं आपको भी loudspeaker पे रख दूंगा, फिर दोनों सुन सकते हैं. Let's try that. Let's try that. चलो छोड़ो, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, let's begin. अच्छा experiment है. I like such things. Okay. So there is a mismatch between two classes. If you have problem for time wastage, we can build it up. I like this experiment. And new discovery came up that 250 people option is not activated in Google Meet. So I have to talk to the enterprise manager, Mr. Krishnan. Okay. So where were we yesterday? Can you see my screen or not? First of all of you, 35 people and the 100 people, I will refer back.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I don't remember. The purpose is because I don't remember which class I'm where, and I was looking that if instead of doing the topic twice, I can do it 1.5 times so that time is utilized and you also 100 people can come together. That was my motive. It's not that motive that I want to reduce my time. And in online thing, it does not matter. Physically, I will never try to have 100 people at once. That's too much. 60 people, 40 people is one. But online, I suppose it's not a big deal because anyway, I'm speaking the same thing. Okay, great. So this is what we did yesterday. I think Kunal Prashant was the person who prepared this table. Kunal Prashant is in which group or what was his
So
name?
Karan
Raj.
Karan Raj.
Sorry,
IB.
Karan Rajput. Yeah. IB. So we had class with IB 3 o'clock. So I did regular group. Can you see the screen, the 35 people? Can you see the screen?
No, sir.
Wait.
Yes, sir. We are seeing. Sir, we can see your telegram. Open telegram.
अच्छा दूसरा स्क्रीन शेयर हो गया है. Now is it fine? Both are seeing Excel?
Yes, sir.
Great. This is nice explanation. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, this is very simple thing. What we did, just somebody asked me, sir, please demonstrate how we will write on paper when we have to do the covariance variance. So I took X and Y. I took their average. Okay. Very simple. I took the XI AV thing, calculated that YAV. AV is here. So AV is average. Okay. Getting it? Both of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then D2 is square of this, E2 is square of this. So let's type it as deviation x square deviation y square. Okay, then obviously let's put it as D and this put as E. So this is the not this is square. Okay, multiplication of that, multiplication of this thing, X and I. Okay, column D and column E, because we have to calculate xi into di, xi into y, xi minus xav minus yi into yav. Okay, please see that. Okay, fine, everybody. Yes,
sir.
no, great.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, so this is again x bar y, x into y, this thing, and this is x square. So what we did, we calculated the correlation covariance coefficient according to the concept that this is what covariance is: average of multiplicative deviations. Variance is average of square deviations, and variance y is so SDX nikala, correlation nikala. Okay. We also told that suppose you do not remember the formula, correlation y sorry, correlation covariance by let me that, what was that, covariance of x and y divided by variance of x, that is our correlation, that is our, sorry, coefficient. Anybody remember this table I'm talking about? This one, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So देखो बड़ा simple है, it's not that tough. Again, if you see, I will write it here for your simplification again. I will just copy these two.
Sir, you're not audible.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is not a this is not technology problem, this is internet problem. So my technology is not at fault. The internet provider is at fault, Mr. Airtel.
We can't see your screen.
Yeah, I know that. I will just share it again. Don't worry. Can you both see Excel? I am getting some noise from background. Somebody. Hello.
Yes, sir. Excel
Yeah,
is
can you,
visible, sir.
Ayush, can you see the, good.
Yes,
So this
yes.
is what I was telling that we just have summarized these things, nothing else. And we also tried to solve this way that if you don't remember anything of this sort, you want to do another way, then you can multiply like we have this equation, na? Some y into some x into nc. So which ultimately comes out into x y average is equal to x average times a plus c. Okay. And again, if you multiply 295, what is 295? Summation of x y. Okay. So in that way, everything clear to everyone here. We have not gone to regression through Excel. We have just gone through regression. That's all. You understand? This is how you do on your examination sheets without the help of Excel. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
120 लोगों भाई किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है 120 क्यों ज्यादा यार 135 है मतलब I'm surprised actually. So many students, how many students? 60 or how many? 65.
66 in IB.
66 in IB. How many in the regular course? Okay, anyone? No reply. Okay, anyways, leave that. So, let's come to the regression part by using Excel. So I told you yesterday that this is what data would look like. Hi Ayush. Ayush, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so thanks for joining and thanks for creating. Good morning. Thanks for creating this. Are there two Ayush in different sections? IB also and main
Yes,
section?
sir. Is Ayush Shah here? I am Ayush Agarwal.
So Ayush Agarwal. Okay, I misunderstood their side with this Ayush. Okay. So Ayush Agarwal, welcome. So this is what we try to discuss in some class. Again, I will repeat. So you see this y minus y calc here, which we actually calculated. Here there is no y calc. You see, there is no y calc. There is average and x average and y average. Okay, can you see that? दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
However, when we are trying to understand effectiveness of the model, because abhi tak, yesterday we also discussed in one class that how do you prove that which model is better? Suppose you get regression linear. Okay, you say we have a linear regression, and you say that our data points are following a linear relationship. I'm writing here linear relationship. Somebody will say no, it is following quadratic relationship. Okay, whatever could be. Or somebody will say it is linear plus quadratic or something or sinusoidal or whatever you want to say. Okay, let's forget that. Okay, could be anything. Now we have to understand how do we calculate, and this is for everything. This will go for a long time with you. How do we calculate the efficiency of a model? That which model is better? Now, please understand. Regression means this is the best line of fit. We discussed yesterday also. Suppose we have assumed linear regression between these 2 points, the blue ones only. Okay, the linear regression is there, but there could be multiple lines you can draw, and then you try to find out the best linearly fitted equation. Is that fine?
So from where will you get y calculator?
हाँ, अभी रुक जाओ, बताता हूँ. I will come to y calculator. So y calculator बता ही देते हैं. So what you can do, ये जो है आपका x and y, अब आपके यहाँ पर b और c आ जाएगा, ठीक है? You will get b and you will get c. Okay? Is that fine? Hello?
Yes.
So now for particular x, you can calculate a particular y.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is given. That also comes here. Okay. देखो यहाँ पर भी आ रहा है वो predicted y. I have copied. You can also do it yourself. Not an issue. Okay. So you can calculate that way, and this can be asked in your examination that please calculate the efficiency of the model. So in that way you have to calculate y calc. जैसे यहाँ पर हमने XIV और YAV किया, but we have not done everything else here. We just calculated covariance correlation and the regression coefficient. Suppose I ask you model efficiency or effectiveness of the model. First thing you need to understand this thing, predicted y. Okay. Now what you will do, you will any questions? Anyone?
Sir, do we always do it for the linear by default?
No. Y calc can be through any model, can be through quadratic, can be through linear, can be sinusoidal, can be anything. Okay. This thing is for linear. This thing is for linear. You are assuming it's linear. Dekho, that understand. You assume it's linear, hence you wrote this. Y is equal to a star x plus c. Okay, y is equal to x plus c. If you don't assume that, suppose you say, let's assume, you say y is equal to ax square. Okay, x star x plus bx plus c. Okay, now to define the model, you need the value of a, x, a, b, and c. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So मैं तुम्हें देखो एग्जाम में quadratic नहीं है, and I will not ask you also, but you should know. अब इसमें भी थोड़ा simple है. You can say sum of y is equal to a star sum of x square plus b times sum of x plus n times c. This is equation 1. Is it fine? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, you can multiply sum of xy is equal to a star sum x cube plus b star, sorry, b times sum x square plus c times sum x. Is that fine? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And similarly, you can say sum y square is equal to a times sum x square multiply sum y xy. ठीक है, ऐसे करके sum of x square, this will be x square y plus b times sum of x y plus c times sum y. So again, you get two equations. Yes or no?
Then how do you have to put the value of y also, or you have to solve?
Means the point is you are already given the value of y and x. You are already given these two things, ना? समझ रहे हो?
By that
You are already, yeah. Rest is up to you now.
From the experiment.
Rest is from.
The x and y value data will be from experiment, and we will try to fit that graph here, right?
We are trying to fit the curve, not graph. So we are trying to, as we said, okay, model fits the data or data fits the model.
Model fits the data. Because we
So
have-
that means the curve is a model here. Okay, the curve is a model here. So we are trying to fit the curve. Therefore, it is called curve fitting. It is not called data fitting. Okay.
Yes.
So we are trying to fit a curve. So I am just telling you, somebody asked me that I won't ask you quadratic approximations, but these are the things you can do. Okay. And then again calculate, you have 3 questions, you get A, B, C, 3 values, then you get Y square A, B, C, then you get Y calc again. And then again you understand the difference between Y calc and YI. Everything clear? No, yes.
Sir, and to reach to the perfect model, there is only heat
No.
and trial, right?
Yes, sir.
The perfect. It's
Can you
only
repeat?
heat
एक
and
मिनट
trial.
एक मिनट आयुष एक मिनट आयुष अग्रवाल एक मिनट हाँ आयुष अग्रवाल एक मिनट क्या बोल रहे हो देखो परफेक्ट मॉडल का मतलब यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज
Sir,
दैट
perfect means the line which which fits the best is only
no
by
no
the trial.
no it is an assumption for you to assume it's linear relationship. Who said it is linear always? It can be a sinusoidal also. ये देखो ना यहाँ पर ये हो सकता है कोई और रिलेशनशिप हो कोई और कर्व हो. We start with linear because that's what we understand basically. It is not necessary that आपका relationship हमेशा linear हो. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Your model does not need to be a straight line. Your model could be a curve. We are talking not line fitting, we are talking curve fitting. Curve could be a straight line, curve could be a curved line, curve could be a circle also, curve could be parabola also. God knows what all shape you have known. Engineering drawing जिसमें mechanical पढ़ा है. Anybody know epicycloid? Hello? Anybody knows what is epicycloid? अरे यार तुम लोग ने इंजीनियरिंग नहीं पढ़ी क्या? मशीन ड्राइंग. Epicycloid is a function that if अब मैं तुम्हें क्या पढ़ाऊं? That if an insect sits on the rim of the cycle.
Used in gear designing.
Yeah,
Gear
तो
to
पढ़ा है
design.
ना तुम लोग बोलो ना यार. तो मैं वही कह रहा हूँ. Curve could be anything. Curve does not need to be a straight line. You assume it. That's your choice. Nobody is forcing you to assume something like this. We will not go in detail. मतलब it is curve fitting. It is not line fitting. Curve could be anything. Please understand. Curve could be line, could be parabola, whatever curve name, geometry you know, could be anything. Does not mean that it will fit. But nobody is stopping you to investigate which curve will fit. समझ रहे हो?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This equation which we have written will give us the best linear line fit coefficients. This equation will give us the best linear what we say line coefficients. समझ रहे हो? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So in order to reach best fit model, we have to use different curves and we have to check so many times.
Yeah, that is what research is, ना? That is why statistics is a different field. वो यही करते रहते हैं बैठ के. X square होगा अब हाँ.
सर तो रिग्रेशन में बेसिकली हम लोग डेटा कलेक्ट करते हैं, उसको प्लॉट करते हैं, उसके बाद उस प्लॉटिंग का जो कर्व है उसके हिसाब से रिग्रेशन का मॉडल डिजाइन करते हैं.
Yes, but होता क्या है, क्योंकि linear regression is a simple one, so people think regression is linear. That is not true. Linear regression is linear. Less all regression are not linear. They can be polynomial also.
Yes sir, that's what I'm asking. That
yes,
ये जो linear होगा या quadratic होगा या फिर
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
कोई भी अलग ग्राफ होगा, वो depends on the data which we have collected.
And your understanding of the data. अभी मैं तुमसे बोलूं कि ये पैराबोला है कि साइन वेव है, how you will understand, because लेट्स ड्रॉ अ पैराबोला. जिसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है बोल देना भाई. पैराबोला जैसे ये है, ठीक है. अभी
तो वो तो ग्राफ देख कर समझेंगे ना सर.
हाँ वही है ना, आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग डिपेंड करता है. ऐसे ये है पैराबोला में भी ये डिप आता है, ठीक है. और अब हम साइन वेव में जाते हैं. देखो आई एम ट्राइंग टू गिव यू बेस्ट व्हाट आई कैन गिव यू. आई डोंट अज्यूम यू डोंट नीड टू, यू डोंट डिजर्व. ये भी यहाँ पर भी डिप है, ठीक है. अब ये पैराबोला है कि साइन है, दिस डिपेंड्स ऑन योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. समझ रहे हो ना. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ यू शेप थिंग, this is also a U-shaped thing, but their expressions are different. Okay, clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
एक minute. Wait. Ayush Agarwal, you had a question. Ayush Agarwal.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बोलो,
I was
क्या question
asking,
था?
There was X and Y. There was X and Y, two variables are there on which X and Y on X is being taken. Sir, what if the third column also comes, for example, Z? So will it work?
But एक minute. Wait. Ayush Agarwal is asking that what if we have three variables X, Y, and Z? Okay, please understand, Ayush. First, we talked of one variable descriptive, then we went for bivariate. Now we can go for multivariate analysis, and I will not go in that. It is possible. So you can see this writes out multiple regression. ठीक है, multiple regression and multivariate. Okay. So right now we are taking one independent, one dependent, but you can have scenario two dependent, two independent. You can have scenario one independent, two dependent. You can have scenario one dependent, two independent. So multivariate regression and multiple regression goes to that level. Okay. Now this is high-end statistics. I will not go in detail, but those who want to explore can explore multivariate and multiple. Both of them when there are more than two variables. Okay.
Certain regression coefficient will also change.
Regression coefficient नहीं, बहुत कुछ change हो जाएगा, पूरी कहानी change हो जाएगी आपकी. But the point is yes it will. But if you cannot understand linear regression, the basic thing, it will not be easy to understand multiple and multivariate. That's a simple thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ayush, are you done? I can move to the bigger group then.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, somebody from the 100 people were asking something. So therefore I am telling. Yeah. So यहाँ पर हम लोग कैलकुलेट करते हैं एरर्स, और जितने भी मॉडल हमने प्रपोज करे हैं उसमें से जिसका लीस्ट स्क्वायर एरर होगा वो होगा. सपोज आपको मैंने डेटा दिया, आप तीन मॉडल के साथ आपने प्रपोजिशन दिया, आपने कहा मेरा मॉडल ये बेटर है, मेरे तीनों मॉडल का ये बेटर है. कोई कल आता है आयुष अग्रवाल कहता है सर इस डेटा के लिए ये तीन मॉडल नहीं, कोई और तीन मॉडल है. Then he will show that his least error is less than your least error. Therefore this is research. ये जो मॉडल मेकिंग होती है कोई आसान काम नहीं है. कौन सा मॉडल क्या है, कौन सा मॉडल इस डेटा को फिट करेगा, which reality explain all the phenomena. Yeah, can you repeat that, Ayush or Pramod? Hello, somebody was asking here question. The smaller group. No, okay, no problem. So point is, again, you have to understand what is this model fitting. Model fitting is trying to make sense of your data you have. It's like a theory building. जैसे अब आपको किसी ने बोला कि मतलब ट्रोल पुलिस देखा है MTV पे आजकल. I watched
No,
this.
sir.
Anyways, चलो good.
No, sir.
Anyways, so everybody tries to make sense of their reality. So model making is that कि ये जो इक्वेशन है ये लीनियर है, क्वाड्रेटिक है, क्या है. You are on mute. I am not on. Okay. Sorry, Pramod, I am not. अभी ठीक है. Thank you. So therefore, please understand. This is a topic of research. Hence, दैट व्हाट फिट्स द बेस्ट थिंग। वैसे सिंपल है यार, अब क्या है, किसी ने बोला हीलियोसेंट्रिक है, कोई आगे ने जियोसेंट्रिक है। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड हीलियोसेंट्रिक इज द सन अराउंड planets around sun, somebody will say earth around earth in the center and everything is around earth। दो मॉडल ही तो है, रियलिटी तो सेम है कि नहीं? अब कौन सा बेटर एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है, उसकी कहानी चलती है। यस और नो?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
सो आई डोंट वांट यू, इफ यू वांट टू गो इन स्टैटिस्टिक्स, बट मुझे पता नहीं बाकी क्लास से डर लग रहा है कि वो लोग पीछे ना छूट जाएं। कहाँ गई हमारी वो कल सुबह सुबह किससे मेरी बात हुई थी, एमबीए कोर की फीमेल सीआर।
यस सर।
हाँ जी, कैसा है?
सर क्या चीज?
अभी तक जो चल रहा है, आपकी आवाज नहीं आई तो मैंने फिर आपसे पूछ लिया, इसलिए
सर
क्या चल
बढ़िया
रहा
है।
है? आ रहा है समझ में?
हाँ सर, थोड़ी बहुत।
तो थोड़ा बहुत, देखो ये थोड़ा बहुत 1% भी हो सकता है कि थोड़ा बहुत 20% है या
और
10% है।
20%। सर आई एम
अरे वाह,
टू कैच अप, क्योंकि ये सारी चीज मेरे लिए काइंड ऑफ न्यू ही एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स के लिए न्यू ही है, तो
अरे तो
दे आर
यार
आल्सो
यही तो, देखो द पॉइंट इज इट इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू गेट आउट ऑफ मी। अब ये लोग मुझे मल्टीपल और लीनियर रिग्रेशन के आगे तक ले जा रहे हैं। अब मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे नहीं लगता आई शुड गो देयर, सो यू कैन से नहीं सर हमें नहीं समझ में आया, देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट्स माय जॉब हियर। माय जॉब इज नॉट टू डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट यू हाउ पंडित आई एम, माय जॉब इज टू मेक एवरेज। एवरेज का मतलब ये है एवरेज, नॉट दैट ओनली इंटेलिजेंट अंडरस्टैंड और डम। तो मैंने पहले ही कहा दैट डम हैज देयर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, आई एम सेइंग डम बिकॉज एवरेज अब अनफॉर्चुनेटली ग्रेडिंग करनी पड़ती है कि ये पीछे है ये आगे है, तो जो पीछे है उसको अलग से पूछना पड़ेगा, जो आगे है उसके क्वेश्चन को पार्क कर दूंगा या फिर उसको भी अलग से पूछना पड़ेगा। जैसे फर्स्ट कोई काई स्क्वायर की बात कर रहा था, मैंने कभी तो अलग से पूछ लो। सो एवरेज क्लास को समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, वो मुझे सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न रहता है, बिकॉज द मोर यू डोंट पुट एफर्ट राइट नाउ, द मोर एफर्ट यू हैव टू पुट इट लेटर। अभी इट माइट बी अनकंफर्टेबल, it will become very uncomfortable in the end towards level of stress, bad stress। कोई ऐसा है जिसको कुछ समझ नहीं आया है? मतलब थोड़ा है, कुछ को तो हम नहीं कर सकते कुछ। दाविशमान बर्नवाल, सब आया है, कुछ कुछ आया? हाँ वाई कैल, हाँ भाई रुक जाओ, वो मैं करता हूँ। ओके, वाई कैल को छोड़ के बाकी सबको समझ में आ गया थोड़ा बहुत। अभी हम वाई कैल पे जा रहे हैं, अभी तक हम इसमें गए नहीं। ओके, तो आई एम लाइकिंग दिस क्लास बिकॉज डिस्कशन ज्यादा है। वो दो ग्रुप का आपको जो 50-50 में होता है ना, उसमें 2-3 लोग ही बोलते हैं। अभी यहाँ पे कम से कम 6-7 लोग बोल रहे हैं, तो आई एम लाइकिंग दिस, therefore I will prefer this। Let's try it out another time, and till then I will try to solve the query of 250 people। और नहीं होता अब सेटअप तो अपना चल ही गया है, ठीक है। ओके दाविशमान, let's see here। कहाँ गया? या सो एक्स और वाई आ गया दाविशमान, हमारे पास था ऑलरेडी। कोफिशिएंट भी मिल गए और इंटरसेप्ट भी मिल गया। So our equation is y is equal to, just calculate right now। इसको हटा देते हैं, इसको थोड़ी देर हटा देते हैं और let's forget it। Our equation is y calc is equal to x times how much? How much is the coefficient? How much is the coefficient? Davishman, स्क्रीन पे नहीं दिख रहा है? अरे यार तो पहले बताओ ना, सॉरी। अब दिखाई दे?
Sir, you stopped sharing the screen.
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
दाविश्मा दिखाई दे रहा है? हाँ, अब बताओ कितनी वैल्यू है y इज इक्वल टू क्या वैल्यू है कोफिशिएंट की? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ कोफिशिएंट? कितनी? हाँ, -1 सो दिस प्लस व्हाट इज द c? was the intercept? तो ऐसे आपका y कैल्क आ गया, खत्म बात। गॉट इट? भाई ये देखो, ये इक्वेशन समझ में आई पूरी कहानी यहाँ पर? जैसे सेकंड, इनका क्या मतलब है? We were actually trying to calculate regression coefficients from here. इन क्वेश्चन से हमने ये निकाला ना a और c, इस इक्वेशन से a और c। तो a क्या है कोफिशिएंट, c क्या इंटरसेप्ट। तो अब एक्सेल निकाले या अपने हाथ से निकाले, whatever, this will give you by hand. Okay, you also have one more formula that a is equal to ये covariance of xy into covariance of xx। तो a निकल जाएगा तो c भी निकल जाएगा, मतलब समझ रहे हो? ठीक है, तो देयरफॉर अब समझ में आया कि कोफिशिएंट की वैल्यू कैसे आएगी। अगर कोफिशिएंट इंटरसेप्ट की वैल्यू आ गई तो हमारे पास रिग्रेशन की वैल्यू, y कैल की वैल्यू भी आ जाएगी। एक मिनट, ठीक है, ये मैच कर रही है ना, देखो 9.618540 वही वैल्यू आ गई। ठीक है, अब हमने क्या किया, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस निकाला, y कैल्क माइनस y का होल स्क्वायर, दिस इज व्हाट इट कम्स। ओके, हमने कभी बात करी थी किसी क्लास में, अब यही प्रॉब्लम है, किसने बात करी थी? तो दिस कम्स एज the error summation, this is error। now you must have heard this term, ये क्यों नहीं जा रहा है, escape, least square error, MSC, LSC, have you heard? have you heard
Yes,
this?
सर ये आपकी एक्सेल शीट वो दूसरी वाली
इन्वर्टेड दिखाई दे
रही है।
दूसरी वाली दिखाई दे रही है मतलब?
सर पहले वाली ओपन है अभी।
what is the content you can see?
Table.
Okay, now we can see sir that covariance variance of x।
नहीं, I am trying to show you the graph one, जिसमें ग्राफ है।
हाँ सर अभी दिखाई दे रही है LSC MSC वाला।
हाँ, तो LSC MSC, yes, so therefore now you can get LSC MSC which is called least square error। इसको ऐड करेंगे और इस एरर का एवरेज निकाल लेंगे तो उसे कहेंगे मीन स्क्वायर एरर। यू कैन यूज आइदर वन। तो व्हाई वी हैव मीन स्क्वायर एरर, लीस्ट स्क्वायर एरर? सपोज यू हैव टू मॉडल, सपोज दो लोग हैं, एक के पास 10 का डेटा पॉइंट है, एक के पास 20 का डेटा पॉइंट है। सो LSC कंपेयर कर ही नहीं सकते बिकॉज n इज डिफरेंट। ओके, हेलो, समझ रहे हैं?
यस सर।
देन वी यूज MSC। हाँ बोलो आयुष, क्या कह रहे थे?
Least square error and standard error of estimate are same thing?
नहीं यार, अभी एस्टिमेट की तो बात ही नहीं आई, ये सिर्फ यार। ओके, प्लीज अगेन गो एंड रीड, आई हैव गिवन इन द हैंडआउट, आई थिंक बुक 5 पेज 41 42 समथिंग लाइक दैट। देयर यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट्स द स्टैंडर्ड एरर। दिस इज नॉट अ स्टैंडर्ड एरर, दिस इज लीस्ट स्क्वायर एरर। ठीक है, दिस इज एज सिंपल एज दैट। अब अभी यहाँ पे कोई अप्रोक्सीमेशन हाइपोथेसिस कुछ नहीं हुआ है अभी। वी हैव नॉट गॉन फॉर sample to population, we are just discussing assuming all data is from population। ठीक है, ओके। अरे यार अनएक्सप्लेन्ड वेरिएशन, देखो यार तुम यही होता है, अनएक्सप्लेन्ड वेरिएशन इज देयर बोथ इन पॉपुलेशन बेस्ड रिग्रेशन एंड सैंपल बेस्ड रिग्रेशन। सैंपल बेस्ड रिग्रेशन और पॉपुलेशन बेस्ड रिग्रेशन में एक ही चीज का फर्क है कि वहां पर एस्टिमेशन नहीं होता है व्हेन यू आर डूइंग पॉपुलेशन बेस्ड, तो वहां पे ना कुछ काम नहीं करेगा एक्सेप्ट वहां पे मतलब यू आर नॉट एस्टिमेटिंग, देन यू डोंट हैव द 95% थिंग व्हिच वी टॉक्ड अबाउट or 90%. Unexplained variance and explained variance is always there, irrespective of are you taking data from the sample, you are analyzing sample or you are analyzing population. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now we will come step by step. अभी तो मुझे डर लग रहा है किसी को समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. Anyway, okay. हाँ बोलो कौन बोल रहा है, पहले तो बताओ कौन है.
सर आयुष.
एक मिनट, एक बार में एक. आयुष द सीआर, बोलिए.
सर आप रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो ये क्लास?
आई ट्राई, नहीं ये मैं नहीं कर रहा बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव रिपीटेड. मैं 2 लेक्चर्स में यही किया, तो मैंने अभी रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया. आई एम जस्ट एक्चुअली इफ यू सी आई एम जस्ट क्लियरिंग द डाउट्स प्राइमरली. मतलब दिस कंटेंट इज रिकॉर्डेड yesterday and day before yesterday, मतलब जो भी वही है ना. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर व्हिच क्लास आई रिपीटेड वाज, so that has been recorded.
सर शेयर नहीं किया था आपने ये वाली क्लास को?
नहीं यार, if you go like simple है, I don't share classes, I just you go to youtube.com, sorry youtube.com पे अभी ये पेज दिखाई दे रहा है.
Yes,
yes. go my telegram पे अगर हम जाते हैं तो हाँ इसमें आप यहाँ पे लिखिए, मतलब लिंक तो दिया हुआ है लेकिन इफ यू डोंट रिमेम्बर हाउ टू लॉग इन, यहाँ पर जाइए. ठीक है, सो यहाँ मल्टीपल चैनल रिग्रेशन यूजिंग एक्सेल, इट इज देयर. ठीक है, प्लेलिस्ट में जाओगे तो प्लेलिस्ट में ये रहा एक्सेल फॉर स्टैट्स. दिस इज योर लेक्चर स्टैटिस्टिक्स.
सर स्क्रीन पे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा.
अच्छा स्क्रीन पे कुछ विजिबल नहीं है.
It's
YouTube का
pause.
होम पेज आ रहा है.
किसका होम पेज आ रहा है?
अभी आया सर.
अभी विजिबल है.
अब विजिबल है, मे बी देयर इज अ टाइम लैग. हाँ, सो दिस प्लेलिस्ट आर देयर. दिस इज अ स्टैटिस्टिक्स प्लेलिस्ट टिल नाउ व्हाट आई हैव टॉट, एंड दिस इज द एक्सेल थिंग. यहाँ पर आर के बेसिक्स हैं जो मैंने आर का लेक्चर लिया है. सो इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. ओके
ओके सर.
Okay.
And most probably if you hear it properly you will get understood. It's not that tough. और अगर हुआ तो repeat तो मुझे लग ही रहा है because I am still not very confident that people have got it properly. They are not
Yes,
asking.
sir.
That's the only thing I can.
Yes sir, that's why I asked you for recording.
Okay, and it is not size of class. Maybe Davishman, are you recording? Great. So send me the recording in my Google Drive and I will upload it. Is that fine? Davishman? Or if you want, you can upload on your YouTube channel, whatever way you want. I have no problems. But अगर upload कर रहे हो तो मुझे link दे देना, ठीक है? Whatever way you want. ठीक है, चलो. So we will get it somehow. Okay? Is that fine?
Yes.
Sasha, okay. Anyone from this side? I think Shubham was asking something or Pramod was asking something. We will not go ahead because I think I should give you time to digest this thing. Yeah, Ayush दूसरे वाले. हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, the participant of other meeting, they are not audible to us, so we do not understand what's going on. So
हाँ ठीक है, good, nothing. Okay, so don't worry. They just asked me. Okay, great. ठीक है, I got it. They just asked me that is this class recorded or not? That's all.
नहीं सर, मतलब ऑडियो अगर वहाँ का आ सकता है.
हाँ वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. अभी तो देखो, अभी therefore I have actually repeated what I have done. I have consolidated. I will not go full blown till the point audio everything is synchronized and 250 people are synchronized. ठीक है. So this was an experiment. more or less successful in time cases, and I will also try to, as you said, that you should be able to hear them. That's the only limitation I said initially. एक ही limitation है यहाँ पर कि आपस में participants meeting के interact नहीं कर पाएंगे. They can hear me. So that was the first objective. Can I broadcast properly or not? अब ब्रॉडकास्टिंग प्रॉपरली हो रही है, अब आप लोगों का फीडबैक लेने का तरीका हमें मुझे देखना है. ठीक है, हेलो, ठीक है. सो डोंट वरी. अरे बाय एक्सपेरिमेंट वी फेल एंड बाय फेलिंग वी लर्न. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस. सो डोंट बी, क्या कहते हैं, fearful of failures even in front of the whole crowd. No problem. Anyways, हाँ, so please go through this again, give it a time, run through Excel models in your sheets, more or less things which you need to do primarily in your SIP analysis. The basics are taught to you. अभी t-test, ANOVA test वो सब बचा है. ठीक है, that we will go step by step. Okay, but this is what you generally see, that at most people do regression, but they still cannot explain what regression is. Okay, so I will request you to go through that. Okay, so now it's 11. I think IB has a class with somebody else.
Yes, sir, we have a class.
Yes, sir. We
Okay,
do.
so if the IB people want to leave, they can leave. And if the regular people want to stay and they want to ask questions, they can. That's all I can say. And even if they want to leave, they can. I have time.
Thank
right
you,
now.
sir.
Thanks to CRs of the classes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
हाँ, कौन बोल रहा है? आयुष अग्रवाल. हाँ, बोलिए.
This side Ayush. So I was before 2 classes I was asking about why.
email कर दो यार. Email properly, then I will give you proper explanation. ठीक है?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
I said please email to me. I was waiting for your query. You write it to me properly. What is the doubt? Then I will give you resources. Okay, chi-square के दो uses होते हैं. So I was waiting for your email.
Surely sir, by today I will send it. Excuse me sir.
हाँ, प्रमोद बोलो.
सर क्या हमको सर लीनियर रिग्रेशन का एक्सप्लेनेशन और आर स्क्वायर और ये सब मिल सकता है?
यार, I am plan to do R square adjusted R square next class. लेकिन अगर आपको अभी जो पढ़ाया गया उसी में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, so there is no point. Therefore, I am giving you time to.
सर एक्चुअली आर स्क्वायर मतलब लीनियर रिग्रेशन का मतलब की होता क्या है? अभी ये तो समझ में आ गया सर कैसे.
नहीं तो वही है ना, देखो आपको समझ में आ गया, लेकिन I am still not confident that everybody has. Because y कैल्स निकालने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, तो y कैल निकालने के बाद हम लोग r स्क्वायर कैसे निकालते हैं, दैट्स माय नेक्स्ट स्टेप. ठीक है, एडजस्टेड r स्क्वायर मैं नहीं बताऊंगा क्योंकि फिर वो ज्यादा स्टैटिस्टिकल हो जाएगा, लेकिन बेसिक r स्क्वायर कैसे निकालते दैट आई कैन टेल एंड आई विल टेल. ओके
सर, आई हैव द डाउट इन y minus y कैल.
बोलो. y minus y क्या है? हाँ,
Sir, that y minus y कैल star y minus y कैल, that is also error square.
हाँ तो वही तभी तो लिखा है ली स्क्वायर, मतलब एरर स्क्वायर ही है. ठीक है, यू आर राइट. यस, इट इज एरर स्क्वायर.
I just want to know that we have like the error square.
हाँ,
By mean square go to this square error का क्या यूज होगा?
यार मीन स्क्वायर एरर क्या है कि जैसे यहाँ पर कितने एरर टर्म्स हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have 6 different error terms. So how do you talk about one error term? So you take a mean of this. That's it. Least square error is addition of all these things. हाँ, मतलब टोटल है वो. That's it. लीस्ट इसलिए कह रहे हैं, अरे लीस्ट का मतलब ये है कि हम उस मॉडल को प्रेफर करेंगे जिसका एरर लीस्ट होगा. दैट्स ऑल. We prefer a model which has a least square error or which has the lowest MSC. यार मीन स्क्वायर एरर कुछ नहीं यार, वो मतलब एरर टर्म्स का मीन है, मतलब ये तुम्हारा लीस्ट स्क्वायर एरर है, उसको डिवाइड कर दो बाय द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, दैट्स इट। लीस्ट स्क्वायर एरर यार स्क्वायर एरर का सम है। लीस्ट स्क्वायर एरर ये है व्हेन टू मॉडल्स आर कंबाइंड or compared precisely, you prefer a model which is having a least square error, that's all.
So it is dependent on n.
Obviously it is dependent on n.
If two model have different n.
देखो if data is one, if you have one data and you are trying to explain one data by two different models, then how do you compare two different models? By saying the model which has the least square error is the better one on the same data.
I get it.
On the same data, not on different data. If you are comparing different data, two different data and one model, कि क्या ये model सारे data explain करता है, then you try to see the mean square error because the n is different. ठीक है? Anybody else?
सर
और कोई
दूसरी सर एक एक्सेल फाइल में आपने जो आपने बनाई थी आज, उसमें इक्वेशन 1 इक्वेशन 2 एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिएगा।
यार तुमको ये समझ में आया कि नहीं? पहली बात तो ये सब शेयर्ड है, एटलीस्ट ये तो शेयर्ड है ही उस पर तुम्हारे ड्राइव पर, तो ड्राइव में आप जाएंगे, आपको ये समझ में आया था ये पूरी कहानी? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग?
थोड़ा बहुत आया था, पूरे कंप्लीट तो नहीं आया था सर।
अच्छा ऐसा करो, इसको तुम वीडियो देखो, सब कुछ करो, किताब से पढ़ो फिर करो, अदरवाइज सिर्फ मैं ही समझाता रह जाऊंगा, तुम अपने आप कभी समझ ही नहीं पाओगे। यू विल ऑलवेज नीड हेल्प, एक्सटर्नल हेल्प टू अंडरस्टैंड। ठीक है, इट्स नॉट दैट टफ।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है, दाविशमान वीडियो दे देगा, मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा, सो यू विल हैव 3 वीडियोस। ठीक है, ओके, एनीवन एल्स? तो ठीक है, आई एम हैंगिंग आउट फॉर ऑल ऑफ देम, बाकी तो पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं। दाविशमान, आई विल वेट फॉर योर अपलोड। ओके, हेलो दाविशमान, इनफैक्ट आप शेयर लिंक ही दे दो फोल्डर का, उसमें आपने जो किया हुआ है दैट्स इट, मतलब अलग से कोई फोल्डर का लिंक ही दे देना। ठीक है, ओके ओके, थैंक्स, बाय ऑल ऑफ यू, थैंक्स, हैव अ ग्रेट वीकेंड।